Seriously fix my hair before I start this video. Oh my gosh.
I'm just having one of those hair days, and it's been so humid out lately, you guys. I feel like I cannot wear my hair down for the life of me unless I keep it ultra curly. Actually, no, even when I keep my hair curly, it's just not worth it.
I have been struggling. My skin has been dry. My hair feels like it's ultra thin, and I just need some nutrients in my life. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So let's jump right into this, and let me show you what's in my fridge and some ingredients that I bought for my juicing recipes and what I think you should buy. Make sure you follow me at Anita Samantha. I'm gonna be sharing tips daily with you guys, so you're missing out. Let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, so here is my fridge. I need to organize it a little better, but I'll show you how I have it right now. So on the first shelf, I keep some of my meal prep items. I like to keep them separate till I eat them, unless I'm eating super strict that week, but for now I can just measure it out, throw it on a plate. So in the first container, I have some roasted potatoes. I just threw these in the oven for about an hour after chopping them up, super healthy. Then I have some of my protein. For example, these are just 2 boiled eggs with some hot sauce. I like to keep them in a little bag in case I have to run off and need a quick snack for while I'm out. Then I have some chicken breast. I just grilled these actually on a pan, super simply. Then I keep some tomatoes and onions in case I want to chop them up for my salad. Then in the back I have grapes, soup, and some banana bread. On the second shelf in this corner, I keep some more protein. These are actually turkey burgers. They are so yummy and good. All I do is put onion, a little bit of flour, green pepper, and garlic powder, and just grill them. Super easy. So easy to heat up after the gym for some protein. You can eat these as lettuce wraps with bread, throw them in salad, whatever you want to do with them. Then I have some boiled eggs underneath. In the back here, I keep my water. I have my pH level water, my gallon of water, and my Perrier lime bubbly water, which I love. Then I like to keep some of my newest bought items. I bought spinach and kale, some romaine, parsley, and limes. This is what I'm going to be using for my juices, which I mix with a lemon, celery, and green apple, or you can take these and make a salad with it. On the top shelf, I keep my fruits, which is berries. They're amazing right now. So good for your skin, hair, and nails. Great little snack. I keep raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Now with fruits, I like to eat them on their own, or I'll put them in water for like a flavored infused water, or with yogurt, and I'm going to show you the best. So kefir is a really powerful probiotic yogurt. I also get Greek yogurt for the protein, and then I keep some little strawberry cupped yogurts in the back. Also, I have fruit juice here, which I use for my juices / green smoothies. I also like to keep clementines when they're in season. They're so hard to find, but they're so good. And then here I just pre-make some fruit salad with all of my berries and some fruit. I wanted to open it for you guys, but really it's just pre-washed, chopped up berries, strawberries, raspberries, and sometimes I'll throw in some apples and little clementines in there. Alright guys, now it's time for the drawers where I keep more of my green juice / healthier fruits, vegetables, things like that. So in here I just keep some cauliflower, broccoli, some of my tortillas, some lemons just for water. In the second drawer I like to keep my potatoes, my green bell peppers, carrots, onions, all that. And then in the last drawer I keep more of my citrusy type stuff like the apples, lemons, limes, but I have so many limes and lemons, you guys. I'm obsessed. I put them in water, in my juices, in my salads. I mean, I use citrus on a lot of things because it's so much vitamin C. Then on the door I just keep the eggs, some of my condiments, and then at the very bottom I keep the stuff I shouldn't have, like Pepsi and candy. So that is pretty much everything that I keep in my fridge, and I want to say it changes every week. I also like to keep bananas and of course so many snacks, cereals, breakfast drinks, things like that that are in my pantry, but let me know if you're interested in seeing stuff like that. Please comment me below what your 3 staple items you always have to have in your fridge are, and also make sure to comment me what you want to see next. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thumbs up letting me know you want to see more of these type of videos. Mwah.